Hey guys! So, as you guys can see, this is going to be, I don't even know what I'm going to name it. I am going into Super Target. I purchased a phone case the other day and it doesn't have the buttons on the side. So I'm like, $40 for a phone case and it doesn't have the buttons on the side. So I'm going to go in here and exchange this one and see if I can find any more phone cases, because you guys know I am a sucker for fucking phone cases, okay? You guys know that. Also, I have to get a few items inside of the store. I'm at Super Target, like I said. I'm not sure how long this vlog is going to be. You guys know I am not a vlogger. I don't even have my camera. I'm literally filming on my Galaxy S9 Plus. I do have my Maxx right here, but I didn't want to vlog on my iPhone just because I have my Android. It's so much easier to edit on this phone. So if you guys enjoyed this vlog, give it a big thumbs up, and I may, oh shit, I may do more vlogs depending on if you guys like this vlog or not. So I may call it case shopping vlog. I'm not even sure, but let's just go because it's starting to fucking rain. Shout out to my dad for his army coat because it's like 30 something degrees here in Texas and it's starting to motherfucking rain. So let's go. Made it over here, you guys, and I don't do any of these cases. These cases are just too plain for me, and I don't like the outer boxes because they're too thick. It should be somewhere up in here. Oh, there it is. They also have it for the XR right here, and they have it for the 8, and they also have it for the 8 Plus, and they have it for the 8. Oh, I said that twice. So because the other one didn't have the button, I'm gonna get both just in case I get to the front and it's like the other one, because the other one didn't have the power button on the side. So I'm just gonna get both just in case. And I was trying to find a gold pop socket. See, this one is cute. This one may match this one, but this is not the same color as that one. Their pop sockets is so expensive. I may go to Five Below because $19 and $14.99 for a pop socket. Like, just in case you guys don't have a Super Target, this is how their section look for the cases. This is their little pop socket selection. Then they have cases on the other side as well. They have, like, I'm sure y'all seen this damn Target before, but this one look like it kind of match. Let's just see. Almost, I don't know, we'll see. But I don't like any of these phone cases. Like, if I had to choose, just choose any one of these, I wouldn't. I wouldn't. They're too plain for me. I have this one already. This one right here, I have that one. And the thing about Casemate I like, it's a 10-foot drop protection. And it's really thick. It's very protective. So, like, when I don't wear, like, let me show y'all. This is the case I have on my phone right now. When I don't wear these type of cases on my phone, I wear good protective ones. So, let's see what else they have. And these are some cute phone cases, don't get me wrong. Like, this is like a holographic one. I just want to wear it. And then they also have like phone cases over here. And they have more over here. But it's just not for me. So I'm going to finish getting everything that I need, because this is the only phone case. And they even have some over here like on clearance. But I don't see any on clearance. Y'all know how I feel about a good sale. No. So, yeah, they have some pop sockets on clearance as well. But, like, nothing I would want. I'm dropping shit. So, I'm about to just get everything else. I'm sure y'all don't want to see me just get, I have a few household items to get, and then that's pretty much it. So I did get the phone case, and I made sure it had the buttons on it, and I also took my phone out of my case and put it inside of this case to make sure the buttons work properly, so everything functions perfectly. But I did not get the pop socket. I'm about to go to Best Buy and Five Below to see if I can find some pop sockets for me. And I am not. Guys, I'm in here and I don't see nothing that I like. This is like the iPhone 7 Plus section, and it really sucks because today they have 25% off when you buy 3 or more accessories, but they don't have any for me. And like, let me show y'all. So I have most of these cases already. You guys saw I have this one already right here, the case label like this. And I also have this one already, which I'll show you guys when I get home. I have this one right here, and I don't like any other ones that they have in here at all. So I kind of like this one, but I think I will get bored of it really, really quickly. And then I kind of like this one, but it looks almost just like the one I have already. So I'm probably just gonna go to Five Below and try to see if I can find some pop sockets or TJ Maxx and Home Goods, because they have a cell phone like little section in there as well. So I'm just gonna leave because I don't like any of these phone cases, any of them. And the cutest ones in here, which is this one and that one, I already have. So let's just go. Let's get the fuck up out of here. Made it to Five Below, but it is raining. Made it over here to the phone cases, you guys, but there's music playing. I don't want to get copyrighted. You know your love is big enough, make me backing it up. I'ma see the touch, then I'm backing it up. Backing it up. Throw that money over here, that's what I'm saying. Y'all, it's raining. Like, for real, I don't have no umbrella. So this has the Home Goods and TJ Maxx. Y'all know on my Snapchat I'm always at this location. So I'm just going straight into the TJ Maxx side. And I don't know if you guys have seen like a TJ Maxx with a Home Goods, but I will show you guys real quickly. This is how it looks. Home Goods, y'all know I freaking love Home Goods. I love it. And then that's TJ Maxx side. As you guys can see, welcome to TJ Maxx. And then this is Home Goods over here. I'm not even about to look for anything. I'm about to go straight over here to the tech part. Go ahead. Oh, excuse me. Okay, so here's the tech like portion, and I don't see.
Watch your toes. Thank you.
Watch my toes, bitch. You could have went behind me, like this little tight ass space right here, and all this room behind me. Girl, if you don't get your ass They don't have any iPhone X Max cases in here. Like none. But if any of you guys are looking for some cases, mm-mm. But they don't have any cases, y'all. So I'm not about to stay here because I don't see any. They have tempered glasses like for the XR. This was a bust. This was definitely a fail. They don't have anything. So okay, you guys. So I am going into T-Mobile, and hopefully they have a phone case because this is gonna be a phone case fail type of vlog. Hi. I'm just looking at some Maxx cases.
Maxx cases?
Yeah.
One over right there.
Right here?
To the right.
Okay.
Are you making a YouTube video?
Yeah, I'm vlogging. You want to be in it?
You vlogging? Hi. That's awesome.
Yeah. I just got that one from Target. I should have came here.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, because T-Mobile is the best. We're gonna move on.
Did you just plug T-Mobile? You just plugged them.
Hey.
I kind of like that one. I saw this one at Best Buy. I just left Best Buy.
Yeah.
I might get that one.
Want to try it on your phone?
I don't know. I might get that one. That's the only one.
Yeah, that's the only ones we have here for the Maxxes. Yeah, little corner.
Okay, let me see how it look on my phone.
Oh, and you have that. Oh, you have.
Getting these phone cases. Can y'all believe I'm getting an outer box? Y'all know I don't like outer boxes, but it's so cute. If you guys remember, I just saw this same case at Best Buy. So I'm gonna get these 3 things. Thanks to
Kevin, and you can come visit me. T-Mobile, what's up?
oh my god. So yes, you guys, I'm about to get these 3 items. And yeah, that's it. Made it home. This phone that I'm vlogging on is about to die. It has like 2% left. My AirPods died and my iPhone is about to die. So I wanted to show you guys everything that I got while I was out. And I wanted to show you guys like these are the phone cases. Oh, it's so bright. Okay. So these are the phone cases. Like I said, I had at Best Buy. But I didn't want to get the other one because it looked almost identical. And this is one of my first phone cases. I absolutely love this one. This one was a little pricey. I think it was like 60 bucks. So they almost look identical. So I'll show you guys what I purchased at Five Below. I only got one thing. And I got like this holographic phone grip and stand. But it's pretty much like a pop socket as well. And then when I went to T-Mobile, you guys saw, I end up getting this clear one with like the glitter. I have one sort of like this casemate, but it has like the foil, kind of like that one. So I thought this was cute. And then I'll probably put this pop socket on here if it looks right. I don't know. I can't really tell because it's plastic on top of this one. So I got this one, and this phone case was $34.99. And I do love case-made phone cases. They're very, very protective. And this is, the case is a new one-piece design. So this does not have 2 pieces, which I really, really love. And then I end up getting this one. This is the one that I saw at Best Buy. This is my first time having an outer box. And this is like a multicolor one. It's like a bluish greenish to like a light pink to a dark pink. It's like a purple and it has glitter on it as well. And this is the outer box certified drop protection. As you guys can see, and this is the thin design. This is not the thick one. So I'm happy about that. And this one was $54.99. And then I did end up getting this pop socket because I just felt like it matched this one perfectly. So this is going to look really, really cute on here, right here. And then, of course, you guys, I exchanged this one out. So it looks just like this. So this phone is about to die. I did not want to end the vlog like this, you guys, but this phone is about to die. You guys know I said I was using this phone to vlog. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little quick iPhone adventure type of vlog. You guys know, like I said, I'm a sucker for phone case, so I'm about to try all these on and see which one I want. I do love the one I have on my phone, but you guys know I sell these. So if you guys are looking for a Gucci case or anything like that, holla at your girl. I have multiple ones for the XR and the X. Mostly, I don't have any like for the X or the XS. I mostly have them for the XR and the Maxx. So I love you guys so much. Don't forget to thumbs this video up. If I'm out and about doing other things like shopping or eating with my friends, stuff like that, I'll try to do the vlog. If you guys get this video to, let's see, 1,000 likes, then I'll do more vlogs and stuff like that. But that's pretty much it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys so much. And until next time, you guys, bye.
Baby, your picture perfect. Your smile, God made it perfect. Don't let nobody tell you different. Baby, you're so worth it. You was beautiful in every way. When I'm describing it, it's all I say.